Craving space in the heart of the city? This gorgeous two-bedroom condo at Windsor Gate offers elegant finishes and is surrounded by expansive open space you rarely find in urban living. Step into a bright, open-concept main area where large windows flood the space with natural light. The living room showcases beautiful custom built-in shelving, and the elegant dining area sets the stage for unforgettable evenings with family or friends. This amazing kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large island, sleek modern cabinets, and a high-end gas range. A spacious breakfast bar and plenty of room to move make it perfect for cooking and connecting. The master suite is cozy and perfect for relaxing, with plenty of wardrobe space, including a generous walk-in closet. The ensuite features double sinks, a luxurious soaker tub, and a sleek glass shower that feels like your own private retreat. The second bedroom is a good size and is served by a separate full bathroom. This unit is just a short walk to the SkyTrain and all the shops, restaurants, and everyday conveniences around Coquitlam Centre. For more information, contact Saeed today.